become desperate, because when you become a desperate, you become a slave to money. Oh, this is so good. This is so good, right? Like when you become desperate, you start making desperate decisions, right? Oh my God, my coaching business is not working. Oh my God, my speaking business is not working. It's not working because you're becoming desperate. You don't become desperate when you're a child of God. You don't become desperate when you're an expert. You don't become desperate when you're a specialist. Are you tripping? Do you not know the anointing and the calling and charisma that's on your life? And you tripping on, oh my God, they don't want to pay me my money. Well, guess what? Some will, some won't. Who cares? Who's next? Write it down. No, don't look at me. Like, write it down. Some will, some won't. Who cares? Who's next? This is what this is about, y'all. I ain't tripping. If you're not going to pay me, there's going to be somebody else who's going to pay me. And guess what? They're going to pay me much more, because I'm not going to taint my anointing or taint my gift because you don't see the value in what I'm providing to you.